In this particular assignment, when you are drawing covalent compounds, what I'm going to ask you to do is a couple of things. You're going to show Lewis dot structures for these particular molecules, as well as using a virtual molecule builder. Generally, we would use molecule kits in order to build these, but we're going to be using a virtual simulation. And I just wanted to show you how that works because it can be a little bit tricky, this site that we're going to be using. So I'm going to give you an example of how to go about doing this. When drawing the Lewis dot structure for water, for instance, we have H2O as the formula. What you would want to do is you want to count up the number of available electrons. So we know that hydrogen has one, and there happens to be two of them. And then we have oxygen has six valence electrons available for the bonding to happen. So we are going to be working with 8 electrons in total. What we do is we put oxygen here and we sort of situate the hydrogens in and around. We take our first pair of electrons and put it between the central atom and the peripheral atom. We do that here as well. And then that brings us down to, we've used up 4 electrons. Where do the extras go? The extras go on the central atom and we partner them up. And this is our Lewis dot structure for water. Now, another way that you could go about that is you could take a look at hydrogen. Each has 1 valence electron. Oxygen, when we are doing the Lewis dot structure for oxygen, we know that it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, partner up 5, partner up 6. We see that there are 2 available spots. That's where the sharing would occur. We don't use arrows when we are talking about covalent bonding because arrows indicate transfer, and that's only for ionic bonding. So then we just kind of clean that up, move it into this location, and we have our Lewis dot structure for water. Then what you need to do is you need to go to this simulation here. And what we have to do is we have to build these and copy and paste our molecules into a separate document. So you go to Molecular Builder, okay, and you have to click on Free Experiment. Then what you need to do is you have to click on the atoms that you need. So I need hydrogen, okay? I need another hydrogen, and I need an oxygen in order to build this water molecule. Then what we do is we drag the electrons that are partaking in the sharing to their location, and there is my virtual molecular model. And then I want to screenshot that and put it into one document with all of the other compounds that you're going to be building. So the compounds that you are going to be building are all of these ones here, all of the starred ones. Numbers 11 and 12, you will not be able to build using that virtual molecular builder. There's some sort of functionality that doesn't enable you to do that. But I want to see Lewis dot structures for all of these compounds, as well as the molecular models that are built. Reach out if you have any questions.